The social story I created was for one of my clients who has autism. The family, the 4th of July, we just celebrated the 4th of July, and the family was going to a place we have here in Virginia Beach called Mount Trashmore, where they do like face painting and bounce houses, and there's a playground, and they do fireworks there. And my client has a hard time adapting to loud noises and staying close to her mom. So I created a social story to send home with my client and her mom, and the mom read the story with my client for every day leading up to the 4th of July, and we found success in the story as she did not have a meltdown when the fireworks started and asked for her headphones. So here's the story. Sophia's social story, the 4th of July. Fireworks. It is almost the 4th of July. The 4th of July makes me happy. We are going to Mount Trashmore. I like to jump in the bounce house and get my face painted. When it gets dark, I need to stay with my mommy. I am going to see fireworks in the sky. Sometimes the fireworks can be loud and scary. But I know I am okay when I am with mommy. When things are too loud, I can cover my ears. I can ask mommy for my headphones. I know I will be okay. I love fireworks. And Sophia is big on emojis and expresses herself often through emojis. So pairing herself with the emojis on the page, like this one, really hits home for her to visualize what being okay looks like, and being scared. So I hope you enjoyed it.